Hello guys, so Radusi just started uploading again and I enjoyed his videos, so I thought I can make maybe something similar to his. So yeah, uh, I think the country that I'm gonna start with is Japan because that's what I've been practicing for like the past 2 days. So yeah, let me just try to explain my guesses and such. Anyways, we spawn into this rural looking spot. Hmm. This house, the architecture here looks like it's built for snow. So yeah, makes sense. Uh, Yamanashi. Does that say Yamanashi? I'm pretty sure it says Yamanashi. These first two characters. But I think even without the Yamanashi here, you can get Yamanashi because like first it's Kanto because of this pole attachment. I mean, you can see this pole attachment in other places. It's just like a square like this. It's just wait, no, this is not Yamanashi. No, no, this is like what was it? Nagano. Okay. So yeah, you can there's a Chubu plate here with a horizontal NTT plate, and this should like only be in Nagano. Like this is super helpful for getting Nagano. Chubu oval plate with a horizontal NTT plate. So yeah, I guess we are in Nagano. Yamanashi Saishu no tame no. Okay. Yamanashi. Really? Okay. Um, I don't know where to guess inside Nagano, but I guess it's somewhere growing pear. Yep, let me just click the middle. Wow, that's like Max North. What? Alright, let's take a look around. I don't really see anything too distinct, so just a pole. This should just be a Chubu like pole because there's a triangle here and there's like black plugs coming out of the transformer itself. And yep, this thing is an oval, so it should 100% just be Chubu somewhere. Hmm. Again, we have like the triangle that indicates that it's in Chubu. Uh, yeah, I'm not sure about the prefecture. There's big mountains to the east there, like yeah, to our east over there. Yeah, I'm not so sure about this, but I mean, if we have big mountains to the east, I think like Toyota makes sense, or somewhere in like Gifu or something. So I'll just click around here, and okay, it was somewhere in Gifu. That's fine. Okay, we have like Ehime blue lines, but not really. I think the Ehime blue lines like they'll go all the way. This is just short. We have infrastructure here, which is built out of this brownish metal, and um, it's useful, but I forgot where like which prefectures use brown more than white. So yeah, we're just in some super forested place. Oh no, I'm not sure where this is. Um, this might be a black stripe on the bollard, which is a Shikoku thing. Yeah, I think that's the most I can get out of this. This might be a black stripe, so I'm gonna go off of that and guess the middle of Shikoku. And it was actually in Wakayama. Okay. Well, it makes sense for how mountainous it was. Okay, what does it say? Actually, that's a cho. I'm not sure I know any chos. Alright, we should be in Kanto here because of the silver plate with the handwriting. And these tentacles coming out of the transformer. I like to call them tentacles because they kind of look like it. And yeah, this should be only in Kanto. Oh, this like, hmm. I've never heard of this place. Don't know how to pronounce this as well. Oh, I think this is Saitama. So, um, at the back of the sign, there's this QR barcode looking ass thing, and this should only be in Saitama. So yeah, let's try to take a look. Move. Okay. Uh, now how small is this place? Oh, here. So it's called Moroyama-cho. Okay. So yeah, this barcode. The most important thing here is that this barcode looking thing, like black bars and like some number over here. This is unique to Saitama. I wouldn't have found this if I didn't know that this is Saitama. So yeah, I guess that's good. Let's just click over there, and that was quite close. Okay. Um, that's a Kanto thing. We're like sloping up towards the north, and to the south it's flat. Wait, let me look at this. Or no, this is a Chubu thing. No, I mean a Chugoku thing. So the pole top over here should be a Chugoku pole top. Like it's just slender, and then there's these two guys coming out of it. And these insulators should be like these insulators here at the end of the cross should be unique to Chugoku as well. They kind of look like, I don't know, marshmallows and stuck into the cross itself. I thought that it would have been Kanto, but no, it was just Chugoku after looking at this pole. Anyways, north there's, I mean, I guess it goes for all the cities here. It's super flat there though, and Okayama is quite flat with mountains north, so I think I'll just try Okayama here. Nice, it was Okayama. And that's a 20k, that's not bad. Okay, let's go next. This should be Tohoku just with this. Tohoku has this plate with a logo over here and just like some random number over here. So yeah, it should just be Tohoku. And you can tell it's I mean you can also tell that it's northern because these houses they're built for snow. Like they're not tiled at all. The roofs are either plastic or metal, so you can tell it's more northern because the more north you go, the more snow that you get. Well, I think that's common knowledge, but northeast, northeast there's mountains. But these houses, they don't look like max north, like they don't look like Aomori houses or anything like that. So I'm tempted to go like south here. Maybe Miyagi or Yamagata would be fine. Yeah, I'm liking those two. Maybe Miyagi. No, no. I'll just go with a Yamagata here and see. Oh, never mind. It was Akita. Well, okay. Let's take a look at this. Wait. Yeah, I guess this should be a Kanto thing. Miyashita Shitsu. What does that mean? Oh, there's signs here. Tatebayashi should be in Gunma, right? Tatebayashi. Wait. Maebashi. Wait, I swear oh, yeah. Tatebayashi right here. It is in Gunma. Actually, Gunma is shaped quite weirdly. This thing extends outward, so I didn't realize. Okay. Tatebayashi. Ora. Kiryu Kumagaya. 231341. So 341 should be well, I don't know, but the 2 is here. And yeah, I'm lazy to scan. I should explain why this is Kanto though. I think these wait, no. Yeah, wait, these guys, the transformers on these like metal plates are kinda Kanto. And these attachments, the boxes here, like I said in the first Nagano one, these this time is actual boxes. Yeah, the um when you have boxes on poles like this and so many of them like this, sometimes they can have up to like two or three. That's quite a Kanto thing. Yeah, yeah. I'm not gonna line anything up. It was in Ota. Okay. Oh, that's almost a Toyama bollard. Is this a Toyama bollard though? No, no, it's not. Okay. So we can tell that we are in Hokuriku just by this plate alone. And Hokuriku is just Fukui, Ishikawa, and Toyama. The first digit of these numbers really helps. So it says 3 here. The first, it goes like this. So there should be 0, 2, 3, 4. Wait, no. 0, 1, 2, 3. So we should be somewhere over here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 will be Fukui, and 9 would be like 9 would be not the rest of Fukui, just up until Tsuruga. So since the first digit here is 3, we should be somewhere around here. Mountains to the south, kind of. So yeah, I'll just click somewhere there, and we were actually. Oh, I thought. Okay, okay. I thought that this was the border of Toyama, but instead it was this one. Yeah, I got it wrong. R rib. Oh, okay, so this pole top should be a Kanto specific thing. When you see like these two guys coming out and a thing that pierces through both of them, and the thing at the top is quite thick as well. This should be Kanto. Monogang. Okay, no. Again, this plate is Kanto. And we have greenhouses and yeah. Hmm. I'm tempted to go Yamanashi. I don't know why, but I'm probably wrong. Like there's not uh, I want to go Yamanashi. It was just Hachioji. Actually, let me take a look at that again. Hachioji has like a memorizable manhole, and I might have missed it. Like, is it this one? I might have missed a manhole. I mean, that's not it, but nah, I don't think I could have spotted a Hachioji manhole there. Okay, this should just be Hokkaido because of these guys. The arrows pointing to the ground. Um, and just like the scenery of it all, just look at how vast it is, you know. Uh, that's like a Hokkaido plate. You can tell that there's a lot of numbers over there. And this out hmm oh, these are Hokkaido chevrons. If you find chevrons like red and white chevrons on like these things or in guardrails or anything like that, you should be in Hokkaido. So one important thing, Yongo Kitasen. One important thing about Hokkaido region guessing is like just using the angles to your advantage. So maybe here I can use the angles. I'm not sure about that though. Like Asahikawa has this 45-degree thing, and then Obihiro has like this kind of angle. But the thing that I'm looking at right now, it doesn't really fit. But yeah, everything in no most things near big cities are gridded in. They're quite gridded, so you can like get a nice 5K or something. You can get quite close if you line up the grids and stuff, but uh, I don't really want to do that. Okay, it was all the way over there. Wait, was this gridded? It was gridded. Okay, 18K, not bad. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Huh. Orange roof tiles. I wonder if this is a Kanto thing, cause silver plating. I guess it makes sense for Kanto then because we have this Kanto pole top. Like it slopes this way and there's these two guys popping out. And we also have black insulators which you can see in Kanto. Um, hmm. Yeah, and we're surrounded by mountains, so maybe this time it should be Yamanashi. Actually, Gunma is also Kanto, but I want to try Yamanashi. Ah, nice. Okay. This is non-discrete. It's flat. Okay. It's super flat and can't see anything to the north actually. I was hoping I could see something. There's some hills. Okay, some hills slash some mountains. My first thought here was Okayama, but I'm pretty sure I'm wrong. Is there a pole or something that I can use? Maybe this? No, I don't know that manhole. Yeah, this is a tough run because there's no poles or anything to confirm meta. But we have like an abundance of gray roofs. Hmm. The mountains a bit north, but I guess Fukui can't fit. I think I'll stick with Okayama. Okay, no, it was just Tochigi. Right, that's like the first blunder that I made. So it says Kochi and Matsuyama, and we're somewhere on the 33. Kochi is here, Matsuyama is here, 33 is here. Um, yeah, and we're in some town on some bridge. One thing that I can say about this is if you see a yellow, red, yellow strip on like stuff like this post or something, you should be in Shikoku. Like this is Shikoku, and this is a Shikoku specific strip, and here it says Ehime-ken, so we should be in the prefecture where Matsuyama is. Oh, I think this is the street. Okay, I think I'm on the 5K. 53 of Ehime. 53 of Ehime. Um, Intersecting with the 33. Okay, wait, what? Let me take a look at that. Kumang. Okay, we're not actually here yet. 33. Where were we again? We're on the 53 on the bridge, intersecting with the 33. Okay. But I don't see the 53 anywhere. Like, and the 33 changes into other numbers. Right. Wait, Kochi, Matsuyama. Kochi South, Matsuyama North. That is south of us. Like, this town is south of us, so, uh, like, okay, I can't be bothered. Oh, it was all the way up there. Okay, makes sense. I thought it would be more in the mountainous parts because it looked a bit more, remote, like in quotation marks, not super urban. Anyways, this bollard, is there something here? No, I don't think so. Oh, this should be Kangsai. When you have a pole attachment that goes down like this, usually it goes down like this and then there's a thing sticking out, but if it just goes down like this, it's the same thing. If it's 120 degrees just like that, it should be Kangsai. But what is this yellow plate here? Is that I've never really seen that. But this pole top should be Kangsai as well. Like two thick bars and one thin string between these two thick bars. Yeah, quite Kangsai like. So I like Kangsai here, but I'm not sure where to click. Oh, that's a lot of text. Okay. This might be a clue, but I'm not sure. Okay. You know what? I think since we're in a straight east-west, north-south angle, we might just be in Nara somewhere because there's a lot of east-west, north-south angle here, and we can see mountains to the west, and to the east we can't really see them, so maybe we're just closer to the mountains here. Oh no, it was Shiga. Okay, makes sense. Well, as at least it was Kansai. Okay, there's a bumpy reflector here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's quite bumpy, so it should be somewhere in Kyushu. And this diamond, so wait, this road diamond with the thing going from the right, this should be Oita only. Okay, so this road diamond, I know this is specific, but it gets divided into four parts, and the slice begins from the right instead of from the left. Like if it's sliced up in this specific way, it should only be in Oita or in Toyama. And since we understand that it's Kyushu, it should only be in Oita Prefecture. So yeah, yeah. Let's just click somewhere random in Oita. All right, and another 18k there with one blunder, but I guess that's fine. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching.